The much-awaited GST bill is listed for consideration and passage next week. Prospects of getting the bill passed brighten as Congress also gives positive signal for passage of the bill. Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi said the Constitution 122nd Amendment Bill 2014 will be taken up for consideration and passage on August 1. Government says it will fulfill all its promises and responsibilities as far as hand-holding Andhra Pradesh is concerned. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley makes the commitment in Rajya Sabha. Mandsaur incident raised in Lok Sabha. Home Minister says Madhya Pradesh government looking into the matter. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh to visit Assam today to review the worsening flood situation. Many parts of the country affected by floods. Water from Nepal makes things worse in Bihar. Rescue and relief operations in full swing. NDRF teams deployed to evacuate people. In Gurugram, traffic situation improves as centre steps in and state government takes necessary measures. Schools closed today as a precautionary measure. NHAI team to ensure smooth flow of traffic on NH8. IT City Bengaluru, that often designs high-tech solutions for the whole world, is itself in need of a solution other than boats that are out of rescue people stranded in waterlogged areas. People were also seen fishing near the swelling lakes, overflowing lakes and drain coupled with uprooted trees, compounded woes for commuters. Expelled BJP leader Dayashankar Singh was sent to 14-day judicial custody yesterday. In a major breakthrough, a joint team of Lucknow Police and Special Task Force arrested him from Buxar in Bihar. Dayashankar was wanted in connection with an FIR lodged for making derogatory remarks against Mayawati. Continuing his trend of interacting with the masses through his radio program, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called on the nation again to contribute ideas and thoughts for tomorrow's Mann Ki Baat. This will be the 22nd edition of the Prime Minister's radio program. The last date for filing income tax returns has been extended to August 5 from July 31st. For Jammu and Kashmir, the deadline will be 31st August in view of ongoing turmoil in the state. Due to severe shortage of petroleum products, normal life has been thrown out of gear in Tripura. That also led to a serious law and order problem in the state. The agitated fuel seekers blocked the road in several places in the state, including streets of Agartala, demanding supply of adequate fuel. Long queues outside city pumps disrupted movement of the traffic. The Enforcement Directorate is expected to initiate a fresh action of attachment of assets against liquor baron Vijay Mallya, who skipped appearance yesterday before a PMLA court in Mumbai in connection with a money laundering probe against him in an alleged bank loan fraud case. The ED had also published in leading dailies. The court issued proclamation against Mallya for appearance before the special PMLA court. Turkey's president has said he is withdrawing all lawsuits against people charged with insulting him. Arti Erdogan said he was inspired by the feelings of unity in the wake of the recent failed coup, but he also stepped up his attacks on nations, criticizing his crackdown in the wake of the coup attempt, telling them to mind your own business. An airstrike has hit a maternity hospital supported by Save the Children in northwestern Syria, killing 2 people and wounding others. The charity said several babies were hurt when incubators crashed to the floor. A pregnant woman lost a leg and 2 others suffered shrapnel wounds. It is, however, not clear who carried out the attack. The suspense over wrestler Narsingh Yadav's Olympic participation was prolonged further after the National Anti-Doping Agency deferred its final verdict. NADA will pronounce its judgment either on Saturday or Monday. The wrestler has also filed a police complaint implicating 2 fellow wrestlers. Russia's weightlifting team has been barred from competing at the Rio Olympics in August over doping offences. The International Weightlifting Federation said some of the Russian competitors had been named in a report commissioned by the World Anti-Doping Agency, which exposed evidence of state-backed cheating in Russia. The second test between West Indies and India will be played on the green top in Sabina Park today. India, with a win inside 4 days, would be looking to maintain the momentum, while hosts Windies have a lot to think about before the second test.